Hi guys, listen, as you probably know, the government is trying to make Apple hack into some of its phones. And who knows whose data is gonna be revealed. So you know what? I'm gonna get ahead of the curve. I'm gonna reveal to you some of my most recent searches on my phone. Okay, when does my show air? You know, are Crocs business casual? Yes. How to torrent Full Frontal with Samantha B. Okay, I'm not gonna read that one. I shouldn't read that one. Average salary, late night talk show host. John Oliver, fake accent. Fake accent. No. What is a funny joke about Ted Cruz? Yes, I got a lot of good ones. How big is space? Nobody knows. Beyonce home address. How to get gum out of hair. How to get peanut butter out of hair. Can I eat my hair? And robot alternatives to writing staff. So that's it. That's all I got. Oh, no, just, you're not supposed to. Oh, shit. Shh, you weren't supposed to see that one.